Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Rejuve.Ai. Ticker symbol is RJV. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Rejuve.Ai token. So ticker symbol RJV, this token is being listed today at 14 hours UTC time, March 16th on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you get this token is you just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search RJV, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. I saw earlier today, too, that this token is also being listed on another exchange called Hotbit. I do have a Hotbit referral code down there if you want to use that instead. But yeah, it's listed on both exchanges, Mexc Global and Hotbit Global. So Rejuve.Ai is a decentralized, artificial intelligence-driven longevity research network allowing people from all over the world to track their health data, receive valuable insights, contribute to cutting-edge longevity research, and earn rewards. Users contribute data in a mobile app in exchange for RJV tokens, which can be used to purchase health products and services such as supplements, test kits, genome sequencing kits, and wearables, etc. at a discounted member rate. So total supply of this token is 1 billion tokens. This is an Ethereum token. So on their Etherscan right now, it says they have 504 holders, 6 decimal places on this token. And right now, so it said they have a total supply of 1 billion tokens, but according to their Etherscan, right now they have a max total supply of 647,916,666 tokens. So it looks like it is a deflationary token that started at 1 billion and has now almost burned or deflated half of the tokens because it's already down to almost 600,000. So 600 million, sorry. They do have a full white paper. They also have an official webpage that you can find at Rejuve.Ai. They also have a Twitter at Rejuve_AI, Telegram, Rejuve Community, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Medium articles. Now, if you want to read forever, their white paper is 74 pages long, so you will be reading for a long time. Now, if you want just the Cliff Notes, you can head over to their webpage. They show you what their app interface looks like on the webpage. They have all sorts of different pictures. So it says the decentralized AI-powered longevity network. Rejuve Longevity will enable you to measure and track your longevity and improve your health span while earning RJV tokens, redeemable for discounts on supplements, medical tests, longevity therapies, and more. Closed beta now full, it says. So they do have a link to their longevity app that you can check out. That you can find that at Rejuve.Ai/products. So Rejuve.Ai's core mission is to build a decentralized network of researchers, clinics, and data contributors working together to arrive at breakthrough discoveries in the fight against aging while making the resulting solutions affordable and accessible for all. Rejuve.Ai puts power back into the hands of the people, allowing anyone to monetize their health data and yield maximal personal benefit from their contributions. So within the AI platform elements, they have the OpenCog Hyperon AGI engine. So this is an open source framework aiming to facilitate the emergence of artificial general intelligence, AGI. Incorporates a broad array of artificial intelligence tools, probabilistic evolutionary. Now we also have the Bayesian expert. So this is a net service, makes the manual creation of Bayesian, I don't even know how to pronounce that, networks based on expert rules and statistics directly from the medical literature easy. Also, we have the Generative Cooperative Network. So this is the GCN, and it's a deep neural embedding framework which combines multiple neural architectures to create embedding vectors representing aspects of each Rejuve member. Lots of big words in here. So they have blog articles you could check out. One's about the longevity app beta version. What is the token? Let's click on that one, actually. Let's get some more token info. So they have in-app reward. It's the in-app reward currency, it says. It has special use cases. So it says, put simply, the RJV token is the membership token of the Rejuve network, leveraged for in-app reward currency and governance. So you can use it for wearables, smartwatches, and bands to track your activity, sleep, vitals, and more. Whole genome sequencing kits, going beyond the popular genotyping ancestry kits, which only analyze a small fraction of the genome. Science-backed supplements, helping you take the guesswork out of selecting the best quality supplements. Biological age testing kits, which utilizes DNA. And then it says, we're actively expanding our product offering, including not only more options from the above listed products, but also new ones like allergy testing, EEG devices, meal planning and meal services, nutritional testing profiles, anti-aging beauty products, health and wellness products, consultations by physicians. So it's a governance token. And yeah, if you want to learn more about this token, you can head over to their 74-page white paper, which is crazy long. You can subscribe to a newsletter. They have their team doxed on here, which is nice to see. All their partners are on here as well. You can check out their webpage at Rejuve.ai, and you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global and Hotbit, which both referral codes are down in the description box, so check those out. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.